We're just in the Disney art store and check out some of these paintings. This one's pretty cute. Oh, a wee Dumbo. Does look good, doesn't he? That's €900. I'm not too keen on this Tinkerbell. This is cool. €120. Steel.
Always start to buy a house. $99.99. Get a penny change on it.
And then these two are brilliant, aren't they?
I love this. This is the saddest thing.
And that's him, he's the ugly duckling. Cool Star Wars ones.
I want that. I don't know.
Cool.
I don't know what to pay for it. $69 for it. Okay, red, violets are blue. Why does everyone want to go back to JetBlue?
And this is my... No, look at that. And this one's my favourite, the Beast. It's only €300.
It's actually so cool.
Oh, the genie.
Like the faster being a creep.
Everybody loves Fantasia, right?
Everybody does. Sorcerer Mickey's one of the best Mickeys.
He is. I like this old school Mickey. I really like these. They come in like these wee individual squares here, and then you just make them up yourself. Maybe a wee bit pricey for what they are, but they're cool. Never seen this before, Stranger Things Lego. Look at the upside down. We'll get a cracking Woody and Buzz here as well. How cool is the Beauty and the Beast artwork? And then just over here, we'll get a massive dragon. And then the Lion King in the background. And just behind, or to the side of that, sorry, we'll get Tangled. Then we have the rest of the dragon coming out this side. And Star Wars, C-3PO and R2-D2, how cool is that?
I think we should just make this.
We should just buy that, should we?
We should just make it.
How amazing would it be to have this in your living room? That'd be pretty cool nowadays. Wow, how amazing Sorcerer Mickey, we were just talking about him as well. Christ's sake, how many bricks? A lot. Here's the info on it. R2-D2, how cool is he? He's absolutely amazing. Let's see, get some info on him. 89 hours to complete, and a lot of bricks. Look at this absolutely huge mural of Maleficent. There are trains here, look at that, double-decker trains. It's the weirdest thing ever. So guys, just to give you a wee tip, literally one stop down at Val d'Europe, which is just here, and then you turn right up here, and there's a supermarket in here.
Shopping centre.
Well, the shopping centre, sorry, and they've got a big massive supermarket, so this is where we're going to go, get some cheeses, some meats, and we're going to get some bread and stuff. It's highly recommended. It's $1.95 on the train, so this is what we would do instead, well, it is what we're going to do instead of buying all this stuff at Disney. So we've just come into the supermarket at Val d'Europe, and if you want to get all your magnets and that, this is a place to do it. They're a lot cheaper than getting them in any gift shops or anything like that, and look at all the selections and stuff they've got. You can get yourself a big Eiffel Tower as well. Get some mugs. Oh, you can get some of the wee jigsaw if you want.
So fun.
This is just to show you some of the things you can get as wee souvenir gifts for people. Let's see how much the Eiffel Towers are. €9. I mean, it's not too bad. €10 if you want to get an luminous pink one. The wee tiny ones would probably be good for people. $3.50. So just another reason to come to the supermarket. These big massive packs of Lay's are $1.52 here. Yet, you know, the wee bags of crisps that are just this size in Disney are $3.95 or something like that. A very random thing to have as well is like freshly squeezed orange juice. Well, a freshly squeezed orange juice machine actually, sorry. So really I should have showed you this, but this place is massive, look. We're going downstairs on an escalator to a supermarket that is the exact same size as the one upstairs, and I'll try and show you a wee bit more of the size of this one so you can sort of get a feel for the size of the both of them. It's the same shop. I mean, look at all that, you've got your meat and stuff down there. Fresh produce in front of us as well. Yeah, Natalie's weird face there is because it's stinking down here. Because they've got like a fresh fish market, and I'll show you that in a wee second, where I think they've actually got the fish out on ice. Just show you the size of all the fruit and veg. Look how many aisles there is here of fruit and veg. That's just unbelievable. Nothing like this back home. This is like a proper full size London market or something. I count 1, 2, 3, there's about 5 to 7 aisles are just fruit and veg. Unbelievable.
That's what I think weird.
Aye, and it's not packaged, it's all just loose. You get just like a lot of loose stuff like this over there. All that stuff there's all loose as well. It basically is like a farmer's market. And here comes the reason it smells in here. Look at this. Let's get a wee fishmonger. It's crazy. Fresh fish everywhere. Just wanted to also show you the bread and cakes aisles. Look how many bread and cakes there is here. This is crazy. Obviously the French like their bread, so there's just so much stuff here. So yes, this is called a doo-wop.
Harry's doo-wop.
It's Harry's doo-wop.
This is a doo-wop.
How good do other cakes look? Look at this bad boy. Look at all of them. Oh, these are lovely looking. So in the parks, for a wee bottle like this, we paid $3.69, and here for a 2 litre bottle is $1.54. So definitely come to the supermarket. So I've got an aisle here with products from around the world. So we've got America, and then we've got England. It is pretty random. And look what they've got. They've got like Scott's porridge oats, sandwich spread, HP, PG tips, because that's what you get in the UK. So guys, if any are gluten free, just like Natalie, you're just looking for sans gluten. And this whole section here, which is quite big, is all gluten free for you. The whole blue bit there. Quite a lot of stuff. Is there too much choice? So what you're saying is you just want 2 bars of chocolate and that's it?
Yes. So we just went down, everything's strawberries, so they're already open. And then we got like a wee packet of breakfast, what we do